Riddhivesh Finance presenting GMP predictions for Windlass Biotech Limited IPO 2021. Yes, dear investors, we have given GMP predictions for Windlass is estimated one. Hey investors, basically we have given the detail of IPO. This IPO has opened up on issue on the 4th August and closed on the 6th August. But Windlass Biotech Limited is not only the IPO which issue has opened up on 4th August. So that's the reason this IPO has get really not up to the mark subscriber, because there is IPO by choice, so you have to choose one IPO or two IPO according to your money and according to your decisions. Windlass Biotech IPO, this IPO we have given some sort of subscription prediction, but unfortunately it doesn't meet to the expected prediction between 75% to 150%, because on the 4th August there are a number of IPOs has came to the investors. That's the reason it has been fall down under our minimum predictions of 75, because on the 4th August there are 4 IPO has opened up their issues and closing date is also the same. That's the reason only 22% this IPO gets subscribed. We can see the diversification report for Windlass Biotech Limited IPO. This has been number of times to total mint for the category by QIB, that is qualified institutional subscriber, are 24.40, where their foreign institutional investors also bidded for the shares, including domestic financial institutions like a bank, financial institution, insurance companies. Yes, in this case we can see mutual funds are also subscriber one. Other and non-institutional investors are 15.73 for number of times of the total mint for the category. And in case of corporates, we can see there are a number of bids for this subscription. You can see the numbers over here which we have given to you. Any individual other than RIIS, you can see the numbers is quite good. Apart from that, there is others investors also there. In case of retail individual investor RIIS, is a 24.27 number of times of the total mint for the category. So in that case, Windlass Biotech in the total is 22.47 number of times of the total mint for the category. Get the bidders, number of bidders. Yes, you can see it overall is a 22.47%. Windlass Biotech Limited IPO detail is basically we have given tips for the investors for this particular IPO or this particular share on the day of listing. If it is offering you discount price on the day of listing, that is on the 17th August, hold it. Choice is yours to invest it or not further. Pharma and biotech performing consistent in these years like 2020 Jan onward because of COVID. Yes, we are going to give you a target for this particular GMP prediction for Windlass Biotech is the price target discount. If it is offer, it will goes INR 425 only. If it, but probably not. We can't say that because this is the company which is in biotech, so probably they will gives a good GMP, at least minimum INR 505 and maximum INR 655 for Wendla's biotech, which we are predicting right now. Thank you. By Vridhivesh Finance, we will come up with the other GMPs, which issues will going to open by next week. Have a great day. Bye bye.